Children, now we are going to start with question number 8 of exercise 8a. Now this is another different type of questions and we have to understand the technique, how to deal with the question. Now first step is the basic step, second step assumption step. Actually the third step, which is proving step, is to be done properly. Now how do we approach the question? We'll see while working out the proving step. Now question says 3 into 2 square plus 3 square into 2 cube plus 3 cube into 2 to the power 4 plus dot dot plus 3 to the power n into 2 to the power n plus 1 equals to 12 by 5 into 6 to the power n minus 1. This is what the question says. Now we start with the basic step. For n equal to 1, t1 is equals to left hand side equals to 3 into 2 square, that is equals to 3 into 4, 12. And right hand side 12 by 5 into 6 to the power 1 minus 1, that will be 5. So 5 and 5 gets cancelled, you are getting 12 only. Now comes the assumption step. Now in assumption step, obviously you are going to assume that let tk be true. Now what is the tk statement? 3 into 2 square plus 3 cube, 3 square into 2 cube plus 3 cube into 2 to the power 4 plus dot dot, replace n by k. What you get is 3 to the power k into 2 to the power k plus 1 is equals to 12 by 5 into 6 to the power k minus 1. Hence, this is the assumption step. Let this be true. So, we'll write let tk be true. It has to be taken as true. Now, use proving step for n equals to k plus 1. T of k plus 1 is obviously first k terms will be as in the previous step. Last term to be added is in place of n, write down k plus 1. Hence, into 2k plus 2. So 3 to the power k plus 1 into 2 to the power k plus 2. Now 12 by 5 first term will be summed up as 12 by 5 into 6 to the power k minus 1. And what about the second step? Second term 3 to the power k, just expand it into 3 into 2 to the power k into 2 square. Now all the numbers could be taken separately, that is 12 it is 3 into 4 and 6 to the power k. I am writing it together because power is same, so you can multiply the base. This is what we have learnt in exponents. Now comes the next step. So 12 by 5 is to be taken common. Now if you have to take common, then in the bracket you are going to get 6 to the power k minus 1 plus 6 to the power k into 5. Now 5 will come because 5 is not here. 12 is of course common, so it can be written outside, but you will have to multiply by 5. Now very important step, 12 by 5 within bracket 6 to the power k minus 1 is alright, plus 6 to the power k into 6 minus 1. Just note this step 6 minus 1 because we don't require 5 anywhere, so we are writing into 6 minus 1. Now once you have put 5 as 6 minus 1, the simplification is to be done. So within bracket 6k minus 1 plus 6k plus 1 minus 6k, and 6k minus 6k gets cancelled. You will be getting 12 by 5 within bracket 6 to the power k plus 1 minus 1. Therefore, Tn is true for all n in n by principle of mathematical induction. So this is the complete proof for doing this type of question. Now children, one more request, please take these classes seriously and do your work systematically in your maths register. Then only you will gain something out of these presentation. You are required to make maximum use of these presentations. So in order to make maximum use of these presentation, you have to cooperate, do your work systematically, properly in your maths register, and go through each and every presentation and try to understand every step. And if there is any doubt, you should clear it then and there itself. So, children, this is how we are going to do this question. I hope you have understood. Now we'll do some more questions for you.